Budget Tech. So in today's video I will talk about how you can make money online by doing small loss. So we will have to check out how you can make money by doing small loss. So for that we will have to visit a website named Spoutgigs. So we will have to write Spoutgig, Spoutgig. This site will be open for you, and now I will tell you how you can make money on this website. First of all, you have to understand that if you want to make money online, you have to be focused, not to worry about that how it will work. You have to learn slowly whatever the you feel or you are choosing. If you are choosing an online field where you can make money online, you have to give your hours to that work. You cannot just click or just doing that and you can make money. No, you have to work hard, even more harder when we talk about online earning. And this channel is all about online earning, that how you can make money online. So we will have to check out this website. As you can see, you can this website hire many workers from all over the world internationally. Okay, so they are hiring internationally from US Western, Europe East, Europe West, Asia, Africa, Latin America, Muslim countries, from all over the world. Pakistan, Bangladesh, from all over the world, they are hiring workers who needs work and wants to work for making money online. If you are a free person and if you are a student, that is an opportunity for you to make money online. So first of all, as we are Pakistani, so we all think about that how it should be work, how we can make money. So and some people trouble when they start, they want, and they even don't have that skill to make a Gmail. Okay, so how to log in on this website I will tell you. First of all, you have to understand that if you already had an account on this website, you just have to log in here, put your email and password and confirm it and log in. And then if you don't have an account on this website, you don't have to worry about that. You just need to sign up here. How you can sign up here? You just have to put your real name, email and password and confirm password, put your email, and then it will be ready for login. And then next step, you have to select your country. If you're Indian, Pakistani, whatever your country you are living, you have to select the country rightly. You have to put your real name, because it will be verified from you that you are a real person or not. Then you have to tick on I agree to Spoutgigs terms of services and privacy policy, and you can simply sign up here. how it's work. You have to, like, in this website, you have to just have to do small tasks, like you have to install any app or visit any website, and they will say stay in our website for 2 or 3 minutes. That kind of a work it will be, and you will be earned like $5 to $10 per day if you work 1 to 2 hours, 1.5 hour or 2 hours a day, and it will be enough for you to make $5 to $10 daily on a daily basis. And be consistent on your work, and it will be a fine for you to make money online. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you want more detailing video, you can text me, or means you can be on my comment section, and it will be easier for you to decide what you want, what kind of a video you want, that you want to learn the skill. If you want more about this video, about this website, you can just search on YouTube. There will be many videos available for you, and remember that its all name is Pico Worker. I hope you enjoyed my video, so we will meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.